Nate, before we let you go, we got one last question for you. And in light of all the great insight that you've given us during this interview, I'm particularly excited to get your answer to this last question. If with the snap of your fingers, you could make any change to the education system, what change would it be?
Well, Ryan, first of all, let me say again, I'm so glad to be here. It's been great to talk with you. This is a really difficult question. I'm sure I'm not the only guy that's paused on this one before. I think, I think when I think about education, um, I think staff they need to find, time is always difficult with your day, with your time to collaborate with each other, to collaborate across counties and districts, so you understand the best practices that are out there. But I think ultimately, I'd love to see budgeting just across the board. Everybody needs to have a lift, and so I think from just funding wise, so you don't get into a spot where you've got 10, 12-year-old projectors. You're in a spot where um, you've got lots of time and budgets that are on the rise, so that staff have the tools they need to deliver content to their students. You really can't, if you're working from chalkboards and whatnot, or really dated technology, it's really difficult to get that content to those students in a way that is 21st century learning.
Nate, this has truly been a pleasure. Best of luck with the upcoming school year. Excited to see what you guys roll out.
Ryan, thank you so much. Glad to be on.